Yeah, it's Friday Bullcrap, take 3. Good grief. Okay, over here on our right, whether you can read this or not by the time this is done encoding, is all the player stats. And we have switches, for different, like if you're taking gas damage, if you've been chilled, if you're poisoned, whatever. And down here we have these items. They have their own counters, and when you pick up an item, it'll initiate the effect on the player, and then it will count down for a minute. And after that time is up, it removes the effect. That kind of deal. I'm going to demonstrate. Okay, we got some chicken's feet. We got a buffalo burger. Chicken's feet will make me faster. Here's my normal movement speed, and I pick it up, and then I'm going faster by just one unit. And the buffalo burger will make me stronger, and to demonstrate that, right now my attack power is just 1, so hitting this block will take 2 shots to take it down. Now I eat this, well, pick it up, whatever. And why isn't the camera working? There it goes. Okay. Whoa. Alright. Anyways, alright, 1 shot, bam, it destroyed the wall. Over here you can see here's the buffalo burger counter. When it gets up to about 3,000 whatever 60 frames a second into a minute. Chicken's feet, there's the counter. There's their states, whatever. And up here you can see where I can't be slowed because of the chicken's feet. Attack power, there's the modification from the burger right there, 1. There's the original 1, so those 2 get added up. It's simple math. There's a bottle of snake oil. That thing will cure poison and a couple other effects. Now I have the random item generation working for these blocks right here. I just tested out just using these items that I have in the game right now. And how that works is you start out with 0% chance to produce an item. Every block you destroy has a number modifier too that will add to that total. So like right now I have 2% chance. Obviously I destroyed 2 blocks, and like see these, there's going up these sand blocks, each one I destroy. And it depends, it counts up for whoever destroys it. So if this was multiplayer and another player destroyed it, I wouldn't get added onto it. So you get, what you work for, basically. So I'm going to up this to 100 to show off an item being created. Okay, bam, and we got a turtle jerky. Alright, and see, when you do get something successfully, it drops the total by 1/4 of itself. So you can't just, rack it up and just infinitely get items out of it. And there's a burger. And there's some chicken's feet. And maybe 1 more. And nothing dropped out of that one. See, now we're down to, in the 40s. This second number right here is actually the table roll. The top one is the actual % chance of producing an item. And you go to the table, and the higher this number, the better item you could possibly get. Some are better than others, or worth more than others. That kind of thing. When I program these things to produce the items, at first I had the wall produce the item right before it died, which didn't work. I mean, it made it, but the hitbox was still there, so the item would spawn on top of the block and consider itself already hitting the ground surface and would stop moving, so you couldn't even reach the damn thing. So I had to make an item that would be created, and it was told what to make afterwards, and wait a few seconds after this thing's destruction, then make it. Well, not a few seconds, like milliseconds. It happens so fast you don't notice anyway, so it all works out for the best. Aha. And in other news, Art has gotten a bunch of model assets finished. Pretty much all the pickaxes and the bombs are done, and I appreciate that very much, buddy. And what else? Oh yes, the shark is now up for sale at the GamersGate. It's a digital distribution service. Some of you may be familiar with those. I want to thank the staff working there very much for letting me be a part of their operation, and look forward to doing future business with them, of course. And I think that's about it for what the cat's yelling at me. Okay, I think that's it for the weekend. And everyone have a good time and stay safe. And I might make another one of these in a week. Who knows? Depends on how much crap I have to show off. Oh yeah, also one more thing. I think I posted earlier about instituting Texture Tuesdays. I think I may have to institute some day of the week for concept art. Running dry on this stuff. Only got a few characters, ready to model left, and items are pretty much dry at the moment. So there's that's something I need to remind myself to do. Maybe on Monday, I don't know. Asset Monday or Concept Monday doesn't have the same ring as Texture Tuesday. Yeah, we need a day of the week that starts with a C. Oh well, that's it. Have a good one, folks.